I call Mr. Vinay Garodia my superhero because genuinely I don't want to cry, but honestly, a person who has got me my eyes, so and he'll always be my superhero because he has saved my eyes. You very rarely find a doctor with a human touch. You will find many ophthalmologists in this entire world. But what decision at what stage is to be taken and how meticulously it is to be taken, you can only understand when you sit with Mr. Vinay Garodia. So I am currently 47, so I have my life now. And he is not going only to be my doctor, he is my mentor, he is my friend, he is my guide. And for me, he will always be my superhero. He is my superhero because his hand has a magic which has given an eye to me. So for me, he will always be my superhero. So I write to him also. I text him also that you are my superhero because your superheroes comes to your, when you were a childhood, you see the movies and they do the miracles for you. For me, he did a miracle when he brought my vision back. So for me, he has been a man with a precision, dedication, determined, sympathetic, human touch, So it has been a long journey with him from 21 and it will continue for my life till I am here. I think apart from sir, nobody is going to touch my eyes ever in my life. If I am seeing the world today, I think it is all because of him. So I'm really thankful for him. In the year 2021, somewhere in November, I was having a little problem with my eyes, with my vision. And thereafter, I been to many ophthalmologists, and I was been a little under the scare that since I was a diabetic, I was being told that I'm in a very bad shape, my eyes are in a very bad shape. And that time we got in touch with Dr. Vinay Garodia and I came in contact with Synergy. The first thing Dr. Vinay Garodia did was that he got the fear out of our mind, and he then guided me throughout the process that what is my current stage of my eye position. And then from there on, he has been my what I can tell you is a mentor, guide, who helped me out throughout the process because yes, my eyes were in a very troubled state. My vision was been in a very difficult phase of time I was going through, and all throughout he has been a real support. Initially, when we don't value our eyes, and when you come at a stage when you know that your visions are going to go, you realize that how would you witness a world without an eye? And that time, a doctor like Vinay Garodia gives you a hope that yes, there is a damage, but we can take care of it, and what you need is a human touch and a precision of treatment, which is very important. In 2023, my left eye has a massive hemorrhage, and after the hemorrhage, my vision of left eye was almost nil. I was not able to see any vision in my eyes. When I saw the doctor Vinay Garodia, he said that we will not touch your eyes until and unless it is so much needed for the surgery. He gave me an injection, and then he does the laser therapy, and then he waited and he guided me throughout that we will wait your eyes to be naturally healed off. Any other hospital, if I would have been into in that stage, I think they would have done my surgery and they would have removed the vitreous from my eyes. But he said that till it is not so required, and it is only when it is very much mandatory, I have to do that this thing surgery, I'll perform that. That confidence gave me, it took some time for me, almost a month or so, to get my vision back. But the thing what he said has actually turned out to be true. Even in my right eye, again I had a hemorrhage. Again he did the same thing, and the best part of his is he never overdoes any treatment. His best thing is that the precision. What a decision is to be taken at what stage. He is very meticulous in taking his decisions. He is very calculative. He knows that what treatment a patient requires at that point of time, how he has to be counseled. We as a patient panic because if you don't have a vision, you start panicking. But he as a doctor never panics. He always maintains that confidence in himself that he knows that how to counsel his patients. Not only I talk about Dr. Vinay Garodia, but on the entire team of the Synergy, the way they follow up with the human touch, you don't feel that you are in a hospital, the way they call you up, they say that how you feel, sir, how's your eye doing, even though there is no regular requirement of yours to visit to the hospital, but the team keep calling you up and keep inquiring how I am doing with my eyes, whether I have done my test or not, whether I'm taking my drops or not, whether I'm taking my medications on time or not. This is something which is what you require as a patient. You don't need anything beyond that. That is what you get from this entire process. Currently also, I'll tell you very frankly, a few months back I was under a very big hospital treatment, and I was going through that treatment, and in that process again a hemorrhage happened in my eyes. I kept shouting, but no attendance was given by that hospital. Then again I called Sir Vinay Garodia. Sir Vinay Garodia said, "Don't panic." He said that you just relax, Vishal, keep your calm. You come to me, I'll take care of it, so you don't need to panic. As soon as I got the discharge from that hospital, I came to Sir. Immediately he took care of me. He immediately started the process. At that time again my right eye also didn't have the vision, and left eye also had only minimal vision. I can't even see anyone. I was feeling that my entire life has gone because I am become a blind person. I will not ever be able to see the world again. When I came to me, he looked at me and he gave a small smile and he said that key and listened to my entire worry, and he holded my hand and he said that key, have faith, we'll do whatever best we can do for you. And he started a treatment. And best part is while he's doing the treatment, he never, being a patient, any doctor would take that advantage, that he's in so much of need, so we can do that surgeries, we can go for this thing, and I would have never objected to that, But what best part is that he knows exactly what to be treated for the patient. He then again started my treatment. He gave my injections in my eye, and thereafter 1 week after he did the cataract surgery, he said, Vishal, your vision will restore. And believe me, he did my surgery, and the same night I started to see the things again. I call Mr. Vinay Garodia my superhero because genuinely I don't want to cry, but honestly, a person who has gotten me my eyes, so, and he'll always be my superhero because he has saved my eyes. He doesn't only listens to your eye problem, but also guides you, he mentors you, listens to your problem. See, it's a very rare complication which happens in November 2024. My right eye again had a hemorrhage, and I visited to Sir, and Sir has given me an injection in my eyes. It is a very rare complication. Out of 1 lakh, any one patient can get this infection into his eyes. Unfortunately, I had that. But the best part was that when I got the injection, as I said that the way the entire Synergy team works, again after the injection when I came home, the team of the Synergy called me up. The girl, she called me up and said that, how are you feeling, sir? I said, I'm feeling little discomfort in my eyes. She said that, sir, please come to the clinic once again. As soon as I said that, I thought that kids are normal because after the injection normally you have a little bit of a pain. But she didn't stop at there. She kept calling me after every 15-20 minutes, sir, you please come to the clinic. When I came back to the clinic, immediately Dr. Vinay Garodia examined my eyes and he found that there is some sort of an infection which is developing in my eyes. And he immediately started the treatment of that. Again, that complication comes out of 1 lakh in one person. and out of 1 lakh only one person can, the eyes can be saved. So I was the unlucky one on getting that way, this thing, but I was the luckiest person that even after that having that problem, because of the immediate attention given by Dr. Vinay Garodia and the entire Synergy team, I was able to come out of this particular infection, which is very rare. There was no mistake of any of the person. It was an unfortunate event because it can happen to any person, and that's the side effects of the medicines. It has been written very clearly. But again, the way the recoveries were being done and the way the recovery process was being adopted, and the way I have been taken care after this thing, that showed that the entire team was behind me to save my eyes. I have a very small family, my wife and my son. Okay, imagine when I am going back to my home, I am not even able to see my wife. I am not even able to see my son. You can't see anything. See, I'll tell you very honestly, I am having multiple complication on my bodies, and I was feeling very depressed, and I was feeling that I don't have any life to live when I was getting my treatment and in the multi-speciality hospital, and when I lost my during the process when I had the hemorrhage and I was not able to see. So for me, the entire world was looking so dark. But the way my vision came back, now I'm feeling confident enough that I'll fight back and I'll come back to my life. I hope if anybody watching this story of mine, they should understand that yes, we are suffering from diabetes, we are having multiple complications, be it blood pressure and everything, but at the same time, if you take care of your health and if you look to your doctors and if you listen to their advice, then hopefully the world will be better for you. So that is all I can say to everyone.